ACCIONA, for those who aren't aware of the organisation, a Spanish conglomerate in relation to construction, water, industrial, renewable energy. They employ 30,000 professionals worldwide. They're massive. They have over 1,000 employees in Australia, and then recently acquired Lend-Lease's engineering arm. So we're talking about a huge company, one of which of their divisions did not do any face-to-face training, and that was their blue-collar workers. Whilst their corporate staff had been online training for a long time, because of the challenges of rolling out to a geographically dispersed workforce that aren't necessarily in an office-based environment, the blue-collar workers had not been trained in some of the workplace health and safety issues on an online environment. Everything had been done face-to-face. So we worked with ACCIONA to put together a training program that would enable us to train all of the blue-collar workers, and that would be an engaging program for people with different educational levels, different reading levels. And after rolling the training course out, we found that there was very quickly an easy way to follow up the people who hadn't done the training, and that was something that was missing from the face-to-face training. Before, if people weren't on site on the day the face-to-face training was delivered, it was really difficult to follow up. Whereas an online course, if they weren't there one day, they'd be there the next. It was very easy to send through reminders and ensure that the training was done. At the time of writing and submitting for the LearnX Awards, they had had 93% of their blue-collar workers through the training, through the online training, which was the highest adherence to training completion they've ever witnessed in their organisation for blue-collar workers. So it really showed them that online training could deliver successful results. And more than that, not only had they done the training, but they have witnessed a significant increase in the number of reports of work health and safety risks throughout the organisation, which of course, when we see this, what that means is that the organisation can address risks as and when they occur and prevent a work health and safety incident occurring on the work site. In terms of the training that we delivered, it was authored in storyline and voiced over by professional voiceover artists, so it was clearly understood by anybody undertaking the training, whether or not they had high or low literacy skills. The training was designed to be able to be deployed on a mobile phone, so that it could be conducted on either a phone, a tablet, or any other type of mobile device. Clear buttons were used and small volumes of interaction, so it wasn't too complex to follow on a mobile environment. And it was delivered through the Safetrac platform, which means there was a unique environment for the geotech workers to be able to log in and complete that training in that environment, where ACCIONA then had the ability to easily report on completions and knowledge acquired through that training through the results of tests. As a result of this, the ACCIONA has really moved to the point that really any type of training to a geographically dispersed workforce, really one of the best ways to do that is through online training. And we're starting to see this trend evolve across Australia and overseas in this massive move towards online training.